Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, dear cadets and students. Today we will do the comprehension of Old Woman. Question number first. Who does the poet praise in the poem The Old Woman? Answer. The poet praises the old woman in the poem. Praises the old woman in the poem. He considered her the symbol of beauty, light, and guidance. As she had gone through all the troubles and difficulties, therefore she guides us in almost every adverse situation. Question number 2. What does the white candle represent in the poem The Old Woman? Answer. A white candle represents beauty, light, and guidance in the poem. The poet compares the old woman with the white candle because she guides us in all kinds of adverse circumstances. Question number 3. What is the message in the poem The Old Woman? Answer. The poem The Old Woman is a tribute to the old woman as well as a message for the youth. She is compared with the white candle, which symbolizes guidance, beauty, and light. She has gone through all the laborious and difficult life. Therefore, the youth is stressed upon to respect their elders because their life experiences guide them in all sort of adverse circumstances. Question number 4. Why does the poet compare the old woman to a white candle in a holy place, the winter sun, and the water under a ruined mill in the old woman? Answer. First, the poem compares the old woman to a white candle because the white candle symbolizes beauty, light, and guidance. Likewise, the presence of an old woman is the beauty of our society. She guides us and enlightens us with her experiences. Second, as in the winter season the warmness and brightness are dim, likewise the old woman energy is weak after passing through a laborious life. In the third comparison, the poet compares the children with the destroyed mill that has left its duty, and the old woman starts in love with water that flows continuously under the mill. Her children have gone from her and she lives a life of solitude, but her love for children is the same and continuous. Like the water flowing continuously under a destroyed mill. Question number 5. Do you like this poem? Why? Yes, I like this poem because the poet has described the beauty and experience and tough life in a very inspirational way. Tough life of old woman. Tough old woman in a very inspirational way. This poem is a tribute to the old woman. Question number 6. What words in the poem help establish imagery? Answer. The objects, actions, and ideas that are written in such a way that they appeal to our physical senses is called imagery. We imagine something when we read some literary work. The words that help establish imagery are: as a white candle in a holy place, so is the beauty of an aged face. As water, example 2, as the spent radiance of winter sun. Example 3, as water under a ruined mill. In the above examples, white candle, a holy place, winter sun, and ruined mill are the examples of imagery. Question number 7. How many lines and stanzas are there in the poem? There are 3 stanzas in the poem. Each stanza contains 4 lines, so the total lines of the poem are 12. Dear cadets, with this we came to the end of the comprehension of the old woman. Please copy them on neat copies, and if you didn't subscribe the channel, please subscribe it, and also suggest to other students, friends, brothers, etc. I'm grateful.